Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by finding the exported contacts file in Google Drive and ensuring it's the right format. Look for CSV or VCF and confirm you have edit or download permission. Once located, download a local copy or make a Drive copy to your account so changes won't be blocked. This prevents permission errors later. Make sure the file is named clearly and that columns like name, email, phone are present if it's a CSV. If it's vCard, note that import handles grouped fields differently. Now open Contacts. Google.com and sign into the target account. This is where contacts will land. Click Import, then select File and choose the CSV or VCF you prepared. If it's in Drive, upload the copy you made. If prompted, map CSV columns to Google fields so names, emails, and phones match correctly. Create or pick a label to keep these contacts separate. Once you hit Import, the system will process entries. Large files can take a minute, so wait for the confirmation prompt before continuing. Finish by inspecting the new contacts under the label you set. Scan for missing emails, swapped columns, or duplicate entries. Use Merge and Fix to automatically combine duplicates and manually edit any contact with incorrect fields. If many records are wrong, adjust the CSV headers or remap columns and re-import. Should the import fail entirely, check that the file is UTF-8 encoded, headers match Google's required names, and that the Drive files sharing allows access. Correct those issues and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.